How to reset your Instagram's Explore page. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset your Instagram's Explore page. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you'll need to do is open up your Instagram. Now, if you head over to your Explore page, if you just see your Explore page and not find anything that you like and you want to reset it, there is no direct way you can reset your Explore page, but there are few techniques or ways you can use which will change your Explore page over time. So let's get started. So the first thing that you can do here is whenever you're on your Explore page, simply go to the post that you like. Now, if you like some post, you can simply head over there and start liking them. You can start liking them, you can start liking whatever is next and whatever is after them. So what this does is this allows Instagram algorithm to know what kind of content you like. And after that, whatever you do not like, you can open that up. And after you open that up, just tap on the three dots and then tap on the not interested option. After you tap on not interested, just select a reason there. And after you do that, you're good to go. Now that is how you can reset your Instagram Explore page. All you need to do is just head over to any post that you like and start interacting with them, and just go to the settings and tap on not interested on the other ones. And doing that, your Instagram Explore page will start building on its own. And yeah, that is all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.